Today, I'll guide you on downloading Discord. First, open your browser. Once your browser is open, type Download Discord in the search bar. After that, just hit Enter. A new format will pop up in front of you. As soon as that's open, click on the first link you see. Clicking on that will start a new profile in front of you. As soon as that profile begins, you'll notice a button that says Download for Windows, mentioning Windows 7 and higher. This means if your system runs on Windows 7 or higher, you can download it, otherwise not. Apart from this, you'll see an option for Open Discord. If you click on it, you can start using it right on the website itself. You'll simply need to log in, and you're good to go. But if you still want to download it, there's a button that says Download for Windows. Click on that to start the download. Once you click, the download will begin, and you'll see a notification on the top right side indicating that Discord is downloading. Let's wait for it to download. There you go. Your Discord has been downloaded. You'll also see a button that says Show in Folder. If you click on it, you'll find the Discord application installed in your PC's download section. Click on it, and after a bit of loading, Discord will open on your PC. That's how you download Discord on your PC. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.